Heat the pan and add oil. When the oil is hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Add the ginger and garlic. Once the ginger and garlic are turning golden brown, we can turn the stove off and add all the powders. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek powder, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Add 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. 1, 2, 3. We can turn the stove back on. Let it boil. One tablespoon of salt. We can adjust the salt accordingly later. Once it starts boiling, we can add the carrots. Cook the carrot for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the carrot is cooked, turn the stove off and we can add the mango. No need to cook the mango. We can add salt if needed at this time.